And what are some other areas when we're pleading a case for negligence, when you're trying to hold the school or the corporation accountable? What are the different theories? We talked about the not having enough people, the duty to supervise, perhaps knowing about the dangerous propensities of this person if you did your due diligence. Are there any other avenues that you pursue when you prosecute these sex abuse cases, trying to hold the corporation or schools accountable?
We pursue premises liability as well as dangerous condition of public property when appropriate. Like the example I gave earlier of the one portable being in a particular area of the campus where they didn't have any video surveillance. Mm-hmm. So premises liability puts a whole nother layer of duty, even though, it's a negligent principle, but it puts a whole nother layer that helps in terms of insurance. It helps with also just meeting your burden of proof overall.
Yeah, I'll throw in another idea, and this would be rare in California because it's such a big state, but where I live in Missouri and Kansas, I live in Kansas, I work in Missouri, so we cross state lines quite frequently. Mm-hmm. And so if some of these events happen when you cross state line, there are sex trafficking laws that are unbelievably powerful, and those could be looked at. So in California, if you had a case where someone, say you're going to go to a nearby state and you're going to cross state line, those are things to look at as well too, because there's liquidated damages clauses, there's attorney clauses for fees, for costs, expenses. So if you have like a school trip and something happens on a school trip when they're going to go visit the White House or something like that, start looking creatively with some of these laws because they're very powerful. It would be infrequent. You wouldn't want to bring them in a state court, but they're really good laws.
And would this always put you in federal court if you're raising the sex trafficking? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.